Hello everyone, we are here today on the Disney Fantasy to do a full room tour of a Category 5B Deluxe Oceanview Stateroom with Verandah. This room does sleep up to 4 adults and has a good amount of room for everyone.
We really like this category. This is typically one of the categories that we book when we're cruising just the two of us. It's got a lot of space in here, especially just for two people, and we love the veranda that they have.
Let's go check it out.
All right, as we come into the room here, we've got a couple closets over on the left. The one closet has a closet rod and your life vests up there. You also have a safe down in the bottom of this closet. And then the other half just has additional hanging space and some more clothes hangers. You have additional life vests up top as well, and some storage space down on the bottom. You also have a little ladder for the upper berth. If you do need to utilize that bed, your stateroom host will take care of pulling that down for you in the evenings. Over here on my right, we have a split bathroom layout. The first bathroom has a vanity in it that has a bottle of the H2O liquid hand soap. You also have some storage space down below the vanity, a few shelves up here on the wall, and then your toilet is in here as well. And this is a really fancy little touch. Look at this. They stamped the toilet paper with the Disney Cruise Line logo. They embossed it. That's pretty cool. Now the other half of the bathroom is where you're going to find your tub. And since this is just a regular Oceanview stateroom with veranda, not a family stateroom, we have the larger rectangular tub versus the smaller round tub that some of the rooms have. You have a detachable shower head in this shower. You also have the clotheslines you can pull out if you need to hang up your wet clothes. And they have the bottles of H2O body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. The shower curtain here has some little hidden Mickeys on there, kind of in the white on white there. And there's also some Mickeys on that secondary decorative curtain. We've got a single vanity here that has some soap, some tissues, a little bit of storage down below, and then a shelf up here with some lotion and a few extra towels and some storage space there. There's a full-length mirror here on the back of this door. As we head into the room, we have our queen-size bed, the main bed here in this room. This bed is raised up with storage underneath for all of your luggage. There's a little bed runner here on the end of the bed that has some nautical elements and some Disney elements worked into it. Over on my left, we have the connecting door to the stateroom next door, and then we also have some storage space here, just a few little cubbies, a countertop here, and then some drawers down below that. On each side of the bed, they have a couple little nightstands. The one on this side has an alarm clock. That clock is set to the ship time, and your stateroom host does make sure that's up to date as you cross through time zones. There's 2 USB outlets on that clock, and there's also an additional wall outlet down below there. So if you need to charge some devices, there's an option there. The lamp here beside the bed has a map of the world with all of the different Disney parks and the different Disney cruise ships represented around it, and there are some little hidden Mickeys there on the bottom of the lampshade. Over on the other side of the bed, we have the exact same setup with the lamp, but instead of the alarm clock, we just have a phone. There are no outlets, though, on this side, so nowhere to plug up any of your devices here on this side of the bed. This curtain here divides off the room from the other half. It does a pretty good job of blocking out the light if you want to close it off in the daytime. And then over on the wall here, we have just a piece of artwork of Disney Cruise Line sailing away, all the people on shore waving bon voyage to the ship as it sails off. In the main living area here, we have our TV. It does pivot out on a little arm so you can face the bed if you'd like to. You can also face it over towards the couch. This cabinet here has your mini fridge in it. It's a pretty good sized little fridge, but there is no freezer section in that fridge. The drawer here has a little Mickey Mouse pull on the drawer, nice little Disney touch there. And there's some storage over there with those drawers. The top drawer there does also have your hair dryer, and that hair dryer is specially designed to work with this outlet right here. And you also have some regular outlets, and you have some USB outlets over on this side. So plenty of places to set up and plug all of your devices, although it would help to bring a USB hub if you have a lot of devices with you. There's a light up above the mirror that has some little Mickey heads punched out of it as well. Fun little touch there. And then some storage in that cabinet over on the right. The couch here pulls down into a twin-size bed, so you've got one bed there, and then up above the couch, we also have that pull-down berth that I mentioned. Your stateroom host can take care of pulling that down for you, and there's a fun little piece of art up above that bed when they do pull it down. Then here on the wall, we have some artwork of stamps that have different Disney characters on it. from Lady and the Tramp to Aristocats, Mickey Mouse, Hercules, Little Mermaid. Lots of different stamps that they've made throughout the years. And as I mentioned earlier, we do have the veranda on this room, so let's head out and check it out. Veranda here, we've got a couple chairs and a small table. We have the clear windows here that you can look through. A great, beautiful view when you're out at sea and in the islands. You can see it's like a plexiglass here instead of having some type of obstruction there. So even when you're sitting down out here on the veranda, you've got a beautiful view. They do have these dividers between the different verandas, and if you have that connecting stateroom, your host can open that up for you to have one big veranda for everyone in your party to share that way. And that's going to conclude our tour of this Category 5B Deluxe Oceanview Stateroom with veranda.
We hope you enjoyed that tour. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up below and comment with any questions you have.
And while you're down there, make sure you subscribe to the channel to see even more stateroom tours here on the Disney Fantasy and other Disney cruise ships, as well as other Disney resorts around the world. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time,
We're here with the ears.